Hello, my name is Laura. Today, I'm going to make you a good picture and you can copy me when you're at home. Now, first, get a nice little piece of paper and then make sure you have coloring stuff. First, you have to draw a good C on the picture and then draw another C. Is a circle, and then pick a little coin. And then make a little circle inside the eyes. And then you can color it the color brown. Like this. And when you're done coloring the eyes, you must make some eyelashes over here. And then you can make a good mouth. And then you can make anything you want, like a slide, or bars, or a swing. And you can color anything inside the eyes. You can color any color. I like to color black or brown, or maybe something pink. And something purple too. First, for the nose, you can do like a triangle. Like that. You can write your name or somebody else's name, but if you want, you can write your name or my name. I can write my name. I can color this actually hard pink. Okay, I'm gonna color it way back. Perfect. Thanks, Mom. Pick a light color for the dress. It could get pretty if you put any colors that are light. Like this. Pink. Even you can color dark purple if you want. You can make it black and gray for it to get pretty. I like this, but I don't know black hair that's my hair a little black. You can make any shape your hair could be. Oh. Okay. And I can use pink again to make a bow. This bow will be purple. I made the bow pink and coloring the bow is purple. Shiny gray. I mean silver. It looks like silver or gray. Now, rainbow colored dress. Now, when you're done doing the picture, you can do it anything. I'll color these shoes actually purple. Now, some pink. And I'll have this pink color. I'll put my face this color. It looks good. Okay. Good color. Almost finished it. You have to color the face. And do it fast, because you can maybe get tired from doing it slow. You can do it faster. Pink cheeks. Now, you can color the swing any color. You can make the swing like this. This is the one sitting on it. You can color the swing with markers. I like pink and purple. Now you can color the lines of the swing. Now, that. Right, my last color is pink. When I'm done tracing this, we'll be all done. And then you can write anyone's name. This heart shape. Heart shape like that. Okay. Like that.